Hi, my name is John Max, direct from Canada Press, an independent media. The buzzword in the first 1 century is global warming. Several media remind us every day about what is happening and what would happen in the future. Many companies, governments, and citizens around the world are adapting to scientists' alert for what could happen. Months ago, a group of weather historians were skeptical about global warming. Today, we will start a debate about this theme with a group of scientists who support the idea that global warming exists and a group of skeptical who don't believe. We want to help you to build your own opinion. I start with the scientist. Why do you believe in global warming?
Hi, I'm Jisa. We are the scientists. We are working for Canadian government.
Both of us work like experts in the area for the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change.
Hi, we are weather historians. I'm Ayumi.
Hi, I'm Fernanda, and we're studying about the weather change more than 100 years.
So I will start with the scientist. Why do you believe in global warming?
We believe in global warming because it's a fact. It's impossible to deny, and we have 3 strong points to prove it.
Increase of CO2, sea level rising, and high temperature. Absolutely, these points are happening, and we are working for these programs.
We affirm that we don't believe in global warming. First point, okay, it's getting warmer, but at the same time it's getting colder in some places.
And second, about climate change, so it's always happening. Climate is changing. And third, skin cancer is caused by many things, so we don't believe scientists.
I'm going to show you this chart. It's easy to see that CO2 is increasing by the time. You can see around the years it's increasing. So it's a fact that global warming is changing. So as we can see in the chart, the CO is increasing, and that is increasing the temperature also. And you cannot deny that. The global warming is happening, right?
Yeah. But so you showed chart. But so in the future, everybody don't know. So next year getting hotter and less CO2. So we don't know.
No, we don't know, but
just
we
guess.
can. It's not a guess. It's a scientist observation by the time, and you can prevent, because between the years it's increasing. So if the companies and the factories is increasing too, because we are many people in the world, so the CO2 is not gonna stop. It's increasing.
But I agree with you that we can see that the temperature is getting warmer, of
Yeah.
course, but
Definitely.
it's not happened just now. It happens like since the Earth was created. So sometimes get warmer, sometimes get colder, sometimes get warmer, sometimes get colder. Why you believe it's just because they increase the CO2? It's not just that reason.
We have another program. You say sometimes hot, sometimes cold, but actually in South Pole the ice is melting and sea level is rising every year, and sea water is increasing, and there are many programs. For example, polar bears are losing their lung to live, or some researchers find that it will be the cause of tsunami. It will be a big problem for islands. And islands are sinking under water in the future.
Yeah, and also for answer your question specifically about the temperature increasing, the government have a huge team of scientists, people working and researching about this for many years. So we know because of the CO2, the atmosphere is getting thin. Yeah, and you know about all the cycle, the temperature, the sun is coming, but should be returned to the space.
That's why it becomes warmer.
Yeah.
So why, like I said before, why some places get colder? For example, where is my city, for example? Never have this lower temperature.
Yeah,
never.
Yeah.
Why it's become colder?
You say something about the coldness in other places of the world. Of course, that is happening also, but it's because it's other effect of the global warming. The Earth, the center of the Earth is changing, so the Earth is rotating in different way. So that is why the places where it should be warm now is cold. Yeah. So it's other effect of the global warming, of course.
Yeah, as she says, the weather is so crazy. The place should be warm is cold. And some place like South Pole, it should be cold, but its temperature is rising and ice is melting. It's crazy.
And could be also because many companies is making holes in the earth, in the earth, you know. So they are making change in the center. So of course we are making effects on the world.
Okay, but how can you so sure that's only the build of the CO2? It's increasing the global warming because it happens like 4 billion years ago.
What?
The change of the climate.
The climate is changing. I know.
All the time.
I know,
It's
but
always changing.
recently it's changing more and more and more. That is the problem. Yeah, of course we know that the climate change is natural.
I don't know you, okay? I don't
But
know.
so how did you know? So next year, so getting hotter.
Okay, you ask me how we know.
No,
How
I
do
have
you
a
know? How do you know? Why not? Why not is global warming?
Because
Tell
we
me.
have studied. How long we have studied?
So more.
You don't have studies.
1,000
We have a
years
PhD
Your
in
research is
climate
based
science.
We
What kind of study
we
you have?
historic about the weather. We studied about the weather. You studied about the weather?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we have. Yeah, of course, it's part of the science of climate.
in
But
the
so
weather.
just piece of chart.
Yeah.
Not just a piece of chart. Our research based on the.
But you are not saying nothing about a science of weather. You just say it's because it's changing, and that's it.
But you can search.
The global
Do you
warming
know-
is happening, and
No. Do you
It's-
know? You can read our books because we wrote a lot of books.
it's arrogant. It's arrogant to say we are not affecting the earth. Is for sure it's happening, and we need to care about it.
I
Okay.
don't know what to say because she don't believe me. I'm telling her because we studied.
Yeah, but it's not about me. We are making our positions, and the people could
Judge.
judge or
they
decide.
They can look our books and read, and then we will see.
Okay.
Well, we had a good and important debate today. I hope that it could help you to build your own opinion about this important topic. Thank you for watching us and see you next program. Bye.